Good afternoon. My name is Manny Hughes. I am a program manager for a company called Infinite Technologies. Now, right now, your base tracks flying hours, thousands of flying hours, across multiple platforms using outdated systems. Let's think about the future. What if there was a system where you can log all your flying hours and reduce your errors down to zero? Well, the future isn't that far, because my company, Infinite Technologies, can provide that for you today. We specialize in modernizing workflows, and our solutions have saved bases hundreds of man hours while improving accuracy and operational efficiency. The question is not, can you afford an upgrade? It's, can you afford not to? So today, I want to talk about who we are as Infinite Technologies, what we can do to help you improve your processes, and why modernizing your workflows is essential. I'll be referencing the Department of the Air Force's budget requests, as well as articles from our Air Force partners that have used our systems in the past. So I know you're probably wondering, who is this company that wants to come and change our processes that we've had in place for decades? Well, first, let me just introduce you to who Infinite Technologies is. We are an IT consultant firm that specializes in improving businesses' productivity. We are also software developers with extensive experience partnering with the Air Force. Over the years, we consistently met or exceeded Air Force's operations needs. In developing our software, we've leveraged expert knowledge, the Air Force budget process, and flying hour program requirements for active duty and reserve components. In 2022, the Business and Enterprise System Directorate stated that our system is effective in planning, programming, budgeting, and executing the Air Force's asset management requirements. So now that you know a little bit about who we are as Infinite Technologies, you probably wonder, what can we do to help you improve your processes? Well, we understand that man hours that are involved with tracking flying hours for the flying hour program between operations and maintenance. Our system provides a one-stop shop for data analytics. Our platform is cloud-enabled and holds the authority to operate within the DoD. Kristen Walker stated in her article, Examine the Optimal Flying Hour Program Suite for the DoD, that our system resolves transaction disconnects, tracks corrections to the source systems, and use auto calculation features to audit and document changes to flying hours. This system identifies patterns to enhance operational efficiency. So this system will modernize the way you track your flying hours, but you're probably asking, well, why do we need to upgrade? Why do we need to move? Why do we need to update our processes that we already have in place? Well, let me tell you why you need to modernize your processes. According to the Department of the Air Force budget request, the Air Force FHP is valued to $9.3 billion. Your base plays a critical role in this program by strategically tracking every single flying hour. Air Mendoza emphasized in the article, Simplifying Program Management through FHPM, the key to the readiness for flying hour organization within the DoD is the necessity to support aircrew training with related costs via the flying hour program, which you all are in charge of. Your current process has served you well for over the last couple of years, but is that really the best tool that you can use to track your flying hours today? Historically, Excel sheets have been the go-to solution for monitoring flying hour data. As a prior member of the military for over 20 years, I worked in operations, and I always had an issue with matching my flying hours with maintenance's flying hours. Always known that Excel was prone to human error, but transitioning to these new processes, you will be able to reduce human error as the system has an automated process that minimizes manual inputs and errors. It also centralizes flying hour data. The system consolidates flying hour information across organizations, as well as it standardizes workflows. The embedded system will help mitigate the turnover challenges that you may have with people in processing, out processing out of your units. In closing, Modernizing your processes isn't just an upgrade, it's an operational necessity. So let's go over what we talked about today. We talked about who we are as Infinite Technologies, what we can do to help you improve your processes, and why modernizing your workflows is essential. So before I go, I want to leave you with this. Infinite Solutions has proven track record of delivering innovative solutions for the Air Force. With our systems, we're not just offering software, we're offering a smarter, more efficient way to manage your operations. This decision isn't about maintaining the status quo. It's about embracing a future where technology empowers your team to achieve more. So let Infinite Technologies help you take a step towards the future. Thank you for your time.